Hello, today I teach you questions and answers of lesson 2, that is Shah Abdul Latif of English of class 9 of Sindh textbook board Jam Showroom. As in the exercise of this lesson, only 3 questions have been given, but I will teach you some more questions on this lesson. The 3 questions which are given in the exercise of this lesson are: question number 1, where is Betisha? The answer of this question is, it is at a distance of 55 kilometers from Hyderabad. Question number 2, what changes did Shah Latif make in the music of those days? The answer of this question is, he simplified it. Question number 3, why did Shah Latif love the lake which is near the mount? The answer of this question is, he loved the peace and quiet of the scene, so he loved the lake which is near the mount. These were the 3 questions which are given in the exercise of this book. But as I have said that I am going to teach you some more questions on this lesson. The question number 1 is, who was Shah Abdul Latif? Answer, Shah Abdul Latif was a great saint of Sindh. Question number 2, when was he born? The answer of this question is, he was born in 1102 Hijra, corresponding to 1689 AD. Question number 3, where was he born? The answer is, he was born in a small village called Hala Haveli. These second and third question can be combined to make one question also. When and where was Shah Abdul Latif born? Shah Abdul Latif was born in 1102 Hijra, corresponding to 1689 AD, in a small village called Hala Haveli. Now question number 4, what was his father's name? The answer is, his father's name was Sayyid Habib Shah. Question number 5, what do you know about his ancestors? Answer is, they had come from Herat, a town in West Afghanistan. Question number 6, why is Shah Latif known as Saint of Bit? Answer is, after his father's death, Shah Latif left his home and went to live on the Mount of Saint at some distance from his village. The Mount of Saint is called Bit in Sindhi due to the fact that he lived there for the rest of his life. He came to be known as the Saint of Bit. Question number 9, name the shrines of saints found in Pakistan. Answer is, in every part of our country there are shrines of such saints. In Lahore are the shrines of Data Ganj Bakhsh and Mian Mir Sahib. In Pakpatan lived and died Baba Farid. In Multan is the shrine of Ghaus Baul Haq. In Sindh are the shrines of Shah Abdul Latif and Kalandar Lal Shehbaz. In Peshawar, in Quetta, and in countless other towns and cities, there are the tombs of these men of God. Question number 8, what are the important features of Shah Latif's poetry? Answer is, the important features of Shah Latif's poetry is that it is written in the language of common people. And another great quality of his poetry, besides its simplicity, is it's a moving music. Question number 9. When is the Urs of Shah Latif held? Answer is Shah Abdul Latif's Urs is held at his shrine every year on 14th Safar, the second month of the Muslim calendar. Question number 10. How is Shah Latif's Urs held? Or how do Shah Latif's devotees celebrate his Urs? Answer is thousands of people gather to listen to the saint's song sung to the tamburo and offer their prayers. Many landmen read papers that tell about Latif's life and poetry. Question number 11. What do you know? What do you know about Shah Latif's music? Answer is Shah Latif was not only a saint and a poet but also a great musician. He found great comfort in music. His skill in this art enabled him to make many improvements and changes in the difficult music of his time. He loved simplicity in music and musical instruments. He did not agree with the idea that music should be difficult, so he made it simple. He also invented musical instrument called tamburu. These are some 11 questions which I have written on the whiteboard. But we can make some other questions also. For example, when did Shah Latif die? Shah Latif died in 1165 Hijra, corresponding to 1752 AD. Who built Shah Latif's shrine? The famous king of Sindh, Ghulam Shah Kaloro, built a shrine over the grave of Shah Abdul Latif. What is the collection of Shah Latif's poetry called? The collection of Shah Latif's poetry is called the Risalo of Shah Abdul Latif. These are some of the questions which are not mentioned in the exercise. I have tried my best to make as many questions as I could from the lesson. Thank you very much.